So, iPass family naman po, thank you so much po for all the lecturers po, sina Sir Jay po, lahat, all of them po, for their unwavering support po, for their tirelessly having lectures po with us. Very beneficial po talaga siya and very helpful po in order for us nurses po na, actually kasi ang tagal ko din po nang walang bedside, so para mag-grasp po yung concepts na madali in an easier way po to learn their concepts po. I'm very thankful for that, for giving us students po na nakapag-aral or to make our learning or journey in NCLEX much more easier po. Na hindi siya magiging as in a burden for us but really very helpful for us po siya na, I mean, nag-enjoy ka, you're enjoying po while you're reviewing po. So parang hindi siya iniisip na, ay, may lecture na naman akong a-attendan. So parang every lecture po, medyo you're happy that you're reviewing po kasi they're really one of the best po na lecturers po to make your American dream come true po in order for you to pass the NCLEX.